Hey guys, it's Annie. I have not done a scripting video in so long. If you've been around my channel for a while, my past scripting videos were some of my biggest videos, and scripting is a manifestation tool that I've used to manifest so many things, from my luxury apartment to my car to my cat to becoming a life coach to vacations and travel to friendships and everything in between. But the thing is, I hadn't been doing it for a while. I was in this period of life where I just wanted to flow and I wanted to see where life was taking me, and I didn't exactly even know what I wanted during those periods. So a few months ago I got to the point where I'm like, I've been flowing for a while, I want to get intentional, I'm ready for the next level. And so I've been scripting regularly for a couple of months now, and things have been happening like crazy. I've shifted the method that I used in the past a bit, and things have been coming to fruition so quickly. I'm gonna touch on a little bit of what that method is, just touch on it a bit, and then I will share with you what I've scripted about and what has come true, give you some good manifestation success stories, and yeah. So first of all, before we dive into that, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I do a lot of manifestation and personal development on this channel. What was that noise? Sounds like a frog. Oh my gosh! It is a little frog! Oh my gosh. Hello, little froggy. Frogs tend to be a sign of good luck. Are you okay? It's a sunny day. He probably needs water. There's water. I'm just pouring it out in case you want a little bit to splash in. I hope you're okay. I'm gonna look up spiritual meaning of a frog. He started making little noises when I said I do videos on manifestation, personal development, spirituality, and things of that nature. So if any of those things are points of interest for you, subscribe and stick around. And if you love when I do manifestation videos or videos on scripting, I would love it if you could hit the like button, because that really helps my channel, and comment down below because that helps my channel too. Spiritual meaning of a frog. Frogs are generally viewed as representing good luck, symbolizing money, good relationships, career, well-being, and health. Well, thank you, little frog. I really appreciate it. Anyway, so if scripting is something that you're familiar with, then that's awesome. But if you've never heard of scripting before, it is a manifestation tool where you journal as if your manifestations have already come to life and you're living that as your reality. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, you can check out my other videos on scripting. I will link those below that go more in depth on that. I will also touch on the method I've been using. It is a method where I focus on 5 to 6 things, primarily just 5 to 6 things, and journal about those 5 to 6 things. So what would my life look like if those 5 to 6 things were my reality already? You want to do it so it's in present tense, or you can even journal as if it has already happened. There's more that goes into this technique that I've been using, but I'm gonna leave it at that. So the first thing that I put in my scripting was 4 to 6 new one-on-one clients. And I hadn't been taking on one-on-one clients in a while. I wasn't really advertising it or talking about it anywhere. So I started writing 4 to 6 one-on-one clients and how that felt and the kind of people I was working with and the clarity on who those people were and the results they were getting. And lo and behold, I got distracted because now I had a bee land on my camera, and a bee is a sign of abundance as well. Sounds like frogs are too. Okay, abundance. We're into it. So anyway, I ended up getting 4 new one-on-one clients, and there's the bee again, right on the camera. But I got 4 new one-on-one clients, and they were the exact dream clients, the kinds of clients that I was journaling about, and they all, do you see that bee just buzzing around right in front of the camera? Anyway, they were my absolute dream clients, and they all had the most amazing, massive transformations. We worked together for a 6-week period for my one-on-one 6-week manifestation accelerator coaching program. Every single one of them, their lives shifted massively. We're talking about engagement, moving to another state, starting her dream job. The person that I'm referring to right now, I'm really excited because she's actually going to come on to my channel and share her manifestation story because her entire life changed. I love the sign of abundance, but you're getting a little close there, bee. Oh my gosh. another client got a massive promotion and raise, a leadership role where she's in charge of an entire region in her corporate job. And just so many other things. So that was such a big success to be able to just get an in-pour of clients after not, you know, working with people much. Oh my god, the bee just keeps getting really close to me and it's on the camera again. Anyway, that's getting distracting with the bee. We're just gonna say manifesting the client's check. Another thing that I wrote down was to make $10,000 in that month, because I'd been taking a step back from taking on one-on-one clients, and as you guys probably have realized and noticed, I've taken a step back from being consistent with my YouTube channel. That reflects in my income. I was just taking a break. Like, I got to my parents' house, I was like, I can rest for a while. So I was like, okay, I need to get like income flowing again. Let's do this. And within a month, once again, I made a $10,000 month after again taking off a lot of work. And a big part of that was the one-on-one clients that I called in, so I was really grateful with that. So one-on-one clients, check. $10,000 in a month, check. After neither of those things flowing through to me for a while from the break I was taking. Another one that was huge, there was this program, it's called Creatrix Academy, and it's a high-level 6-month program. And I'd been wanting to take it, but because I was taking a break from working, I was like, I don't know if I could financially make this happen right now. And I am now in Creatrix Academy. And again, I wasn't working with the clients at that time. I hadn't manifested the $10,000 at that time, so it was a big question mark. So the fact that I am now in this $17,000 program, going through it, I was just like blown away that that was able to happen. So another check. The next thing on my list is a tiny house. I am clearly not living in a tiny home or tiny house yet, but things have unfolded for that to become a reality. And one of those things is my dad was like, hey, I actually know a guy who owns an RV store. His friend owns an RV store, and his friend has a connection to a company that makes tiny homes and can get me one for pretty much 50% off. He suggests that I wait until the winter just because they might even be at a lower price at that point. So that is unfolding nicely. That's still in the works. And there are some times where I'm like, do I really want this? I did really want it, and I still do, but I'm like, do I? So that's still up in the air. So I would say just the fact that my dad came out and was like, I have a connection, you can get one for 50% off. I say that that manifestation is, you know, going well. The next thing I put on my scripting was a healthy relationship. If you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know that I had a really toxic relationship with an alcoholic, and I was connected to this person for almost a decade. It took a toll on me, and I was just like not into dating for the longest time. I'm like, that, it hurts. Relationships hurt. I don't want it. Like let me just be by myself. Ugh. But I've been dating someone for almost 8 months now. I started scripting this after we had already been starting dating, but it was still so like new and scary because of, you know, my past relationship trauma, that I was like, I don't know, this is scary. Like, what if I get hurt? Like, you know, all up in my head. And I swear, it's like when I started scripting about this, the relationship improved and I started to feel much more secure, and he started pouring like more energy. It's not that he wasn't pouring energy in before, but I felt like he was showing up differently and like really putting his heart into it. And I will let you guys know that he actually has officially told me he loves me, but I'm still just at this point trying to go with the flow with that. But another cute piece of the story is he's someone that I had a crush on from when I was 13 years old, and I've always like cared about him. So it's really special and I'm happy about it, but still just seeing where it goes. So that's a big one. And the sixth thing that I scripted about was fit body. If you guys have been around my channel, I had different waves of things going on with my body over the years. When I was at my rock bottom, I'd gained 30 pounds and just was not feeling good in my body. And then when I started getting into personal development, I lost the weight and it went away, and I was feeling really good and I was really into fitness. And then 2020 came, and we all experienced 2020. I gained a good 15 pounds or so through that time period. So I was just like, ugh. I don't want to be harsh on myself, but I feel my best when I'm feeling fit. So I haven't been going crazy with like working out or like what I'm eating or anything. I've been going on walks every day. I've been going on hikes. That's about it. My body started to change. And then on top of my body starting to change, Laser Away, the company that I worked with in LA a ton, opened up locations in the Northwest, and they're like, hey, we have an opening day thing coming on and we want an influencer. Would you like to come and get some treatments? And they offered me Cool Sculpting. So I got Cool Sculpting on my stomach. And it's not like it's a fix-all solution situation, but it does help shrink the fat cells. So I got that done on my stomach, and I'm feeling really good. I don't like to put the pressure on the scale or any of that, but I will say, like, I'm back down to 125 pounds. That feels pretty good. I can fit back into my high school cheer skirt. That feels really good. And again, the Cool Sculpting, it fell into my lap after I started writing about this. With this scripting method, it didn't all just start happening a day after scripting about it or a week after scripting about it. It took about a month. So set a goal to do it every day for at least 30 days and see what happens. And the things I put on this list, again, some of them, like the tiny home, I was like, I want that within the year. The 4 to 6 clients, I was like, I want those as soon as possible. I would love the $10,000 as soon as possible. The fit body, hopefully that comes within the year. You know, all of that. I started writing about it every day, but as the month went on, some of the things started happening. And as those things started happening, I would remove that from the list and add in another goal, another thing. Like, what would I like next? What would be cool for this next month that I would like to call in? There's so many ways you can do this, but I've had massive success, and I hope those shares have excited you, because this stuff freaking works, and I'm very happy about it. Oops, my camera died. So I did want to put out there that I am doing another round of my 6-week one-on-one manifestation accelerator. So if you're interested in working with me, I will leave a link down below to apply. But also, I've decided that I'm going to do a beta group round. I'll take a small group of anywhere from 5 to 10 people through the exact process that I've been taking my one-on-one clients through. It's the 6-week manifestation accelerator, but in a group setting, and it'll be about half the price as it would be if it was a one-on-one setting. So if you're interested in trying this beta group round, then I recommend applying for that down below as well. I mean, really, there's one application for both the one-on-one or the group, and if you want to get on a call with me, we could talk about which option would be better. So one-on-one, obviously you would be getting all of my attention on you. You'd get to process and express a lot and go through the experience with all of my focus and attention on you, which is super powerful. But in other ways, a group is powerful because we're all amplifying the energy together and going through an experience together. So either of those will be great. Again, you can apply down below. My prices are going to be going up. This is the best time to get in on this. And I also wanted to remind you, in October, the 17th through 21st, I'm hosting a retreat. So if you've been interested in coming to the retreat and hanging out with me in person, it's going to be the most amazing experience. We have 3 spots left. Don't hold back. Even if you're seeing this and we're already like a week into October, still apply for the retreat. I'll put an application for the retreat below. We'll get on a call and talk about that and what that could look like and see how we can make it work. So apply. I really want to hug you and squeeze you in person. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be near Portland, Oregon. Fall vibes, super fun. And the final way you can work with me is I'm doing a prosperity energy healing group session on October 8th. It is a 2.5-hour long group energy healing session. I've taken people through this in a one-on-one setting, and the response and feedback and testimonials have been amazing. I'll put a couple on the screen. That will be linked down below as well if you would like to get a ticket to that. So lots of different ways to work together this October in different capacities. I'm so excited to connect with you. And if you have any scripting questions, feel free to leave them down below. And you better believe my one-on-one clients and my group clients, we're gonna dive deep into the scripting method. We're gonna go into making vision boards. We're going to do visualizations. We're going to do energy clearing and energy work, mindset work, the whole spectrum of things. And that's another thing I want to touch on with scripting. I don't just do scripting. Like, this is a big thing that helps me manifest, but I'm working on my energy every day. I'm taking care of my mind, my body, my soul. It's a process, but the way I do it is fun. It's not hard work. It's work, it's magical, and I want to invite you into that magic. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye guys.